Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Thailand. So if you're planning or traveling to Thailand and want unlimited mobile data without dealing with expensive roaming charges or physical SIM cards, in this video we will look at one of the best eSIM options for staying connected in Thailand. And before we get started, I do really advise you click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And of course, in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to install the app or the eSIM app on both the iOS devices and the Android ones. So actually guys, first you will need just scroll until you can find Thailand right here. So just go ahead and tap it, and here where you can find unlimited plans or unlimited data. So actually guys, the eSIM offers unlimited data eSIM plans for Thailand, with different durations depending on how long you're staying. So for example, limited plans are available for trips such as 15 days, 16, 17, etc., even a month, right? So actually guys, you will need to choose a couple of days that you will stay in Thailand, and then just go with the checkout right here, and then just go ahead and choose a payment method, or you can just go with more payment methods right here. So you will be able to choose from different or multiple payment methods, and then just go with pay and follow the prompts. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to install the application or the app of eSIM on your iOS device. So actually guys, first you will need to open the iOS eSIM app, and then just go ahead and go to the eSIM page and tap and install eSIM profile, right? So it's that option, install, right? And then you will need to add a cellular plan. So you'll need to go and choose if you want it as the eSIM plan or primary. So I do really advise to go with the eSIM plan as it's shown on that video, on that picture. And yeah, it's the default line if you want to go with the primary. And of course you will need to turn on the line right here and choose the data plan label as the eSIM plan and enable the data roaming. All right, of course guys, you will need to go with or turning on these two options. And also we have the method or the second method, which is scanning the QR code. So you'll need to go with add data plan on your device settings, and then just go with use QR code and scan the QR code. And yeah, of course you will need to choose the primary or the eSIM plan, and yeah, it's the same. So turn on the line and the data roaming, etc. And now for the Android device, so you will need to go with the eSIM installation, and that's on the eSIM page. And then just go with the help here, go with install, and then enable the data roaming. So it's kind of similar to the iOS devices. And if you want to scan the QR code, you'll need to go with the connections on your device settings, and then same card manager right here, and add mobile plan, and then scan the QR code and enable the data roaming. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. And if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for Thailand, click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.